back to my channel. It's Adama again, here with you on Simple Short Steps. Yes, and today I have a new hair. I got new braids, so I'm excited about it and I think it's beautiful. What do you think? Please drop your comments down below so that I would know how my hair looks. Thank you. Enough of the rant about my hair, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a smoothie bowl. When I mean a smoothie bowl, it's just like having your smoothie in a bowl, like having it as a cereal instead of like drinking it from a cup or sipping it with a straw. This is the type where, of course, this is the type where you can actually scoop your smoothie with a spoon, and it's also so beautiful. It's the same thing as a smoothie, just that you have it in a bowl because also it's thicker. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone. Like, you can't be the only one getting this whole useful information and interesting video that I always put out there. Please make sure you share it with someone so that you encourage me and encourage this channel to grow, okay? Smoothie bowls are well known to be taken as breakfast, of course, just like smoothies. Making one simple change in your life can actually change that situation or change that thing that has been happening to you for years and years. So if you want to change that lifestyle, you should be taking at least one very healthy raw food on a daily basis. And the only way you can incorporate this is not just by eating salads, because salads can be boring. Like, let's get the facts straight, salads can be boring sometimes. But if it's a smoothie, I know also a lot of people do not like, some people do not like smoothies, but smoothies are also something I wasn't used to before. You don't like it because you're not used to it, you don't drink it, you always like push it away or something. But this is like a good place to start. This is somewhere you could start and you see that you're making progress, you see that you are actually filling your body with so much goodness, you see that your skin is healing and your complexion is coming out. You do not just feed your skin, you know, with the chemicals outside in form of creams. You should also feed your skin, feed your body, right, so that your skin will grow from the outside. Guys, guys, without so much ranting and rambling this morning, let's get into making this smoothie bowl. I know you're going to like it. It's going to be very beautiful. So you can already see the stuff I have here. I have frozen kiwi right here. This should be like half a kiwi, and then this should be like 1 1/4 banana. This should be like, I don't know, this should be like 1/6 of a big cucumber. These are 3 slices of, oh my god, a kiwi is hiding right here. Okay, that's 5 slices of kiwi. So these are 3 slices of lemon with the rind. You can see I put the rind here. The rind of the lemon, that's the back of the lemon, has more vitamin C than the juice. So you want to also find a way to be consuming the back of the lemon so that you get all the goodness in the vitamin C that it has to offer. And then this is like half of an apple. I'm going to add half of an avocado, but that will be when I'm decorating my bowl, because I like to have a beautiful bowl. Okay, we're also going to use chia seeds. I have my chia seeds here, so we're just going to use like a teaspoon or so to sprinkle on our bowl when it's ready. The other thing I'm not going to miss are my berries. I love berries and I love to add them to my smoothie. First of all, I'm using a high-speed blender. This is the Home Geek blender that I've been using since April. This particular blender has been in use since April that I got it. Like every blessed day is in use. We use it to make smoothies like 2 times a day, because we also make smoothies as snacks. When we are bored, we make smoothies, and also as desserts most times. So it's in use like 2 or 3 times on a daily basis, and it has still been at the top of its game. It's not that expensive. I'm going to drop the link down below so that you can also check it out. So I'm just going to throw in my berries. That's the very first thing I'm going to put right here, and then I'm going to go in with the bananas. If you don't get a very thick smoothie, you could also try adding ice cubes. I don't have ice cubes. I'm also going to I'm going to add my cucumbers, and then the apples and the lemons. Like, I'm just throwing in everything inside basically, and then I'm going to go ahead to blend. So I'm just going to go ahead to blend. I'm not going to add water right away, so let's see how it is before adding water. Okay guys, so I'm just going to turn it on. I'm just going to use this because you can see that it's really quite thick. add a little bit of water. I'm just going to add a little bit of water. You don't want so much water in this particular smoothie because you want it to be thick. See what it actually looks like it is so beautiful. It is super beautiful. You can see that already by yourself. And it's so delicious. Now I am super loving this. It looks like an ice cream. It is super creamy. Guys, sorry that this video is a flop. In fact, it was almost a flop because my camera died before I could even finish transferring my smoothie to my bowl. So I'm sorry about that. I couldn't get where I was decorating it. I couldn't get where I was decorating my food, but you can see what it really looks like. It's so beautiful, like really. And this is a plate filled with antioxidants. This is a plate filled with so many goodness. Look at that. Look at that. So this is what your smoothie should look like. I have some nuts here for that extra crunchiness. I have chia seeds here for that extra omega-3 fatty acids that we all need. I have extra bananas here just for decoration. You guys know that I put I have banana also in the smoothie. And then I have avocados here also for that extra fiber and that extra omega oils. And like, what would you even say that is not in this smoothie apart from goodness and sweetness and all that? Guys, I encourage you to subscribe, share this video, like. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified next time I upload another video. And I'll definitely see you in my next. Remember to always eat healthy. Be intentional about what you eat. Be intentional about what you put in your body. Be intentional about the food you buy from the shops, okay? Let's try as much as possible to reduce the packaged foods that we buy, that we do not know what they use for preserving them. Let's reduce buying store-bought juices and all that. You can make all these things by yourself at home, and I'm here to motivate you to do that, to inspire you to do that. So I'll be bringing you more videos like this, okay? And what are you doing? You threw away the chair seats. What's happening here? What are you doing? You eating some chair? Can you cover this? Look at what you did here. Now I have to clean this up. What happened?
I don't know.
You don't know what happened?
What happened? That one.
Yeah, that's the remaining smoothie. There's nothing remaining. There's nothing in it. It's almost gone, but you messed here. There's nothing there. This is the smoothie that is remaining, but you messed this place up.
You fell off.
Danny, can you say bye to my friends?
Bye.